Tired of customers ordering the wrong size and dealing with annoying returns? Let's fix that by adding a size chart to your Shopify product page. First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard, then click on Online Store and then Pages. Now, click the Add Page button to create a new page that will house your size chart. Give your page a clear and descriptive title, such as Size Chart or Clothing Size Guide. In the Content area, create your size chart. You can use the Table tool in the rich text editor, or even embed an image of your size chart. If you have one, make sure it's easy to read and understand. Once you're happy with your size chart, ensure the visibility is set to visible, and then click Save. Now, go to your product page you wish to add the size chart to find the product description field and click in it. Here you'll want to add a line of text that says something like View Size Chart. Select the text and click the Insert Link icon in the link box. Link to the size chart page you just created. Finally, save your product page now. When customers visit your product page, they can easily access the size chart, reducing size-related returns and improving their shopping experience. Now you are all set.